Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Vidu AI. So let's get started. So guys, go to Google and search for Video AI, as you can see, Video Studio, and click this first result and click here try video. As you can see here, click sign up with your Gmail account. After that, wait guys to click continue. And as you can see here guys, I log into my account and you click this. You have two options and you have the credit for free account and click create video. As you can see here guys, click one and you can drag image. As you can see here, for example, this many image, and you can write here your prompt and your description for this image and your reference, and you can add text as you can see here, and you can create a video. For example, you can modify 8 seconds. This is option for upgrade, and click for this is free option and click this guide if you as you can see here guys, and you can create, just upload your image. You can upload more image. You have 4 credits here and add your description. This is how you can do guys to create video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.